When people think of collagen, they typically think of the skin. This is a fair approach as collagen holds the skin together and low collagen levels can change the skin's appearance. But collagen does so much more in the body than support the structure of your skin. When collagen levels are low, your body may try to tell you in various ways. This video is so that you know exactly what to look for when and if this happens. But here's the kicker. Most people will experience low collagen or a collagen deficiency at some point in their life. And for others, this can lead to a full-blown deficiency, a state in which the body doesn't have enough collagen for normal functioning. So how does this happen? Well, for starters, our body's ability to create new collagen starts to diminish around the age of 25, with experts estimating that we lose at least 1% of our collagen each year after our mid-20s. For now, let's look at the warning signs of collagen deficiency. When on the lookout for signs of low collagen, there are 6 main symptoms. As I mentioned, collagen does more than just prop your skin up, so you may be surprised at some of these signs. But let's get started with the skin. Wrinkles. Wrinkles are the clearest sign of collagen loss. Wrinkles form due to lost elasticity in the skin, which is a direct result of depleted collagen. Despite the fact that your skin is 70 to 80% collagen, if you have low levels, your body is going to stop focusing on repairing elasticity in the skin and instead start using your collagen on other vital functions, like supporting organ structure or healing your wounds. While wrinkles are bound to happen as we get older, if you notice a sudden acceleration in wrinkles, this is a clear sign that collagen levels have recently plummeted for one reason or another and should be properly restored with a high-quality collagen supplement. Number 2, slow muscle recovery. Your muscles can be sore even if you don't perform hard workouts like weightlifting. Running, hiking, or even tasks in the home like cleaning can leave your muscles feeling sore the next day. While this is normal, especially if you've worked your muscles you don't often use, it can be a sign of low collagen. If you find that you're getting sore very easily, possibly for reasons you are unsure of, or if it's taking longer than 2 days for your muscles to recover, then you could have a collagen deficiency. Collagen works to repair your muscles and helps with muscle flexibility. So a deficiency will not only result in longer recovery times and more frequent soreness, but it could also result in you losing muscle mass as the muscles deteriorate instead of repairing. Number 3, gastrointestinal problems. Collagen deficiency has been linked to leaky gut syndrome. In your intestines, there are tight junctions that help you absorb nutrients. A leaky gut means that these junctions aren't as tight as they should be due to tissue separation. As a result, other unwanted supplements can slip through the gaps and cause infection and inflammation. Collagen plays a big role in repairing intestinal walls and keeping the tissue there tight and firm, just like your skin. Therefore, having enough collagen in your body is crucial for repairing and maintaining these tight junctions. Leaky gut syndrome comes with symptoms such as bloating, gas, cramps, indigestion, food sensitivities, and pain. If you have any of these symptoms, it may be due to a leaky gut caused by low collagen. Number 4, poor hair health. Collagen is an important part of your health for a few different reasons. For starters, collagen is present within your hair follicles, responsible for delivering nutrients for healthy hair growth. Without enough collagen, your hair won't receive the nutrients it needs as quickly, resulting in stunted hair growth or the development of weak and brittle hair. Additionally, a large part of what makes up your hair is collagen itself. Without sufficient collagen, your hair will be thin and weak. It can fall out easier, break more often, or struggle to grow in the first place. If that wasn't enough, without enough collagen present within your hair follicles, your hair follicle will become more vulnerable to cell-damaging free radicals, which collagen helps fight off. Just like with the skin, your body will prioritize other areas of your body in need of collagen before sending the protein to your hair. As such, poor hair health could be one sign of low or deficient collagen. Joint pain. Many people mistake joint pain as just another sign of getting older, but in many cases, it's simply the result of collagen levels diminishing as time goes on. The cartilage in your joints is 60% collagen. Collagen is essential in rebuilding and repairing the joints and maintaining their structure. In addition, collagen provides flexibility and cushions your joints. So if your body doesn't have enough, your joints will be more prone to damage. If you're experiencing any discomfort or lack of function within your joints, you may simply need a boost in, you guessed it, collagen. Since being the most abundant protein within the body, almost any injury, whether it's a broken bone, cut, or result in surgery, is going to need a large amount of collagen to properly repair the tissue. If you don't have enough collagen, your body is going to struggle to make a full repair in the proper time frame. When you get hurt, the amount of time it takes for you to heal can be an indicator of collagen levels. So how do you restore collagen levels? Thanks to modern science, we now know that collagen levels depleting with it each year is a huge reason why we experience normal signs of aging. With this knowledge, you can take more control. It starts with restoring and maintaining collagen levels within your body so your tissue, hair, skin, joints, organs, and more can all remain young and healthy. As you know, there are hundreds of different collagens on the market. I'll put a link to one of my favorite ones that I use myself and recommend to all of my clients. I'm Nick, nutrition and health coach with the Health Report. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're new here, subscribe.